Our second core product is our IDShield plan. And as you can see, we have two plans. Well, we're going to provide you with credit score tracker. That's where we'll track your Experian credit score each month in real time right on your smart device. We'll provide monitoring and alerts from your credit score all the way to social media, as well as financial threshold account monitoring with your credit cards all the way to loans and much more. Why do we place so much emphasis on monitoring and alerts? Because the best defense for identity theft is early detection. And that's exactly what we provide to you. On top of that, we have Privacy Check. That's to help keep your information away from the data brokers. Do you guys realize that the data brokers don't care about protecting your information? They just want to sell it off to a third party who's now going to target you with different types of ad. I mean, just the other day, I was looking at something called Murphy beds, and all of a sudden, I got all of these different ads about Murphy beds. That's because, listen, if it has a camera, it's watching you. If it has a microphone, it's listening. But because of IDShield, I was able to go in and minimize all of that. We're going to help you do exactly that for your data as well.